In the early 1940s, the world witnessed a technological breakthrough with ENIAC, the Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Occupying an entire room, ENIAC contained over 18,000 vacuum tubes and massive control panels arranged in a U-shape. It marked the beginning of modern electronic computing. Even before ENIAC, a revolutionary concept emerged in 1937. John Atanasoff and Clifford Berry developed the Atanasoff-Berry computer, or ABC, the world's first digital electronic computer design. Though it could not be programmed, it introduced groundbreaking ideas that shaped the future of computing. In 1941, German engineer Konrad Zuse unveiled the Z3, the world's first fully automatic and programmable computing machine. It demonstrated that complex calculations could be performed automatically, opening a new chapter in technological innovation. The next major leap arrived in 1947 with the invention of the transistor at Bell Laboratories. Smaller, faster, and more energy efficient than vacuum tubes, transistors transformed electronics and paved the way for more compact computers. As electronic systems became increasingly complex, a revolutionary solution emerged. Jack Kilby and Robert Noyce independently developed the integrated circuit, combining multiple electronic components onto a single chip. In 1959, Noyce filed a patent that would change the future of technology forever. In 1968, Robert Noyce co-founded Intel. What began as an ambitious semiconductor company would grow into a global leader in microprocessor innovation, driving the computing revolution for decades. In 1983, Apple introduced Lisa, the first commercially successful personal computer with a graphical user interface. Instead of typing commands, users could interact visually through icons and windows, bringing computing closer to everyday people. By 1990, Apple attempted to bring computing on the move with the Macintosh Portable. Although it was heavy and expensive, it represented an important step toward the lightweight laptops we use today. The same year, Intel introduced the Touchstone Delta supercomputer, equipped with 512 microprocessors working together. This powerful system became a milestone in parallel computing and inspired some of the world's fastest supercomputers. From room-sized machines filled with vacuum tubes to powerful microprocessors and intelligent systems, the evolution of computing has transformed every aspect of modern life. Each breakthrough built upon the last, shaping the digital world we live in today and the innovations yet to come.